This video is to show you where to go to change the preview text of your emails that you send. Now you can do this in both sequences as well as broadcasts. I'm going to just use a broadcast to show you how it works. So there we go. We'll create a new broadcast. We will, my screen recorder is hiding my continue button. There we go. All right. So what we do is you can insert your subject here, your body content here, and then under this advanced section, this is where you can go to edit your preview text. It's pretty simple. It's right there. You can add whatever you'd like, and that helps enter, that text that shows when you're in Gmail, typically Gmail. It might show on other platforms too, but that's what I use. It'll show the subject and it'll show a bunch of little text afterwards. This is the text that shows afterwards. And that's it. Very simple.